What's going on? So the last video you saw that the fairings flew off, and it's been some time now, but I got them in and they're eBay special. So they're not anything customized or anything that is super expensive. They're like 300 bucks for shipping and everything. So we'll get them on and see what they look like. They're just plain white, so it should look a lot better than none. So let's get to it. Alright, got this back piece on and it already broke a tab off right here, but that's alright. It's all together now. This side over here also has been put together and no broken tabs on this one. So and it is on. But the only thing is these lines don't line up on either side, so I'm gonna heat it up and reform it. Also cut it down here so it doesn't hit the exhaust like the other one did. Alright, so you see I got a ratchet strap around it. Have the lines kind of as close as I can get them. Now I'm about to heat it up. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one over here in a second. Final product. Burned it a little too much and heated it too much right there. But other than that, looks pretty good for $250 fenders on Fairings.